Hi, welcome to my channel, Spice It Up. So today we're going to make Masoor Dal. Very simple and easy. So let's get cooking. So now just put some oil in, about 2 tablespoons, 2 spice spoons of mustard seeds, and 2 spice spoons of cumin seeds. The seeds have to pop and then you know it's ready. So now add in onion, garlic and ginger. So they're nearly brown, the onions, garlic and ginger. So these are the tomatoes I boiled earlier, and you just want to take the skin off very gently because it may fall apart. So you don't want to boil them for too long. In fact, this one is coming off quite nicely without even using a knife. So just mix it all in. So what we're doing is going to slightly fry it. So all of the water that comes out of the tomatoes will eventually disappear, and then we'll be just effectively frying it with the oil in it. Now we're going to put the spices in. So we'll put 2 spices of coriander, 2 spices of ginger, and 2 spices of turmeric. At this point, I'm going to put it off, stop it from burning, and you can just stir that in. I'm going to add in tomato sauce or passata, 3 tablespoons. Adds a bit of thickness and colour to your dal. Mix it in. Some salt. And now we're going to add in the dal, which earlier I washed, put it all in. This was about 250 grams of dal. So now I'm going to add some water in, about 700 milligrams of water. As we mix it together, you might find as it boils that it needs more water in. Obviously, some people like their dal thick and some like it thinner, more like a soup. Either way, if you have it with a soup or with rice, you might prefer it just sort of not too thick but not too watery either. So let it boil, and then once it's boiled, then you'll be able to see, does it need more water. I'm adding a few green chillies. So the dal is thickening up. I think we're going to put a little more water in it, about 300 milligrams. Some black pepper, just 4 or 5 twists. And then we'll just let it simmer for a little while longer. Squeeze a little lemon. And there we have it. So our dal is now ready. You can have it with rice, naan, or any kind of Indian bread. In fact, if you want it as a soup, you can have it with just regular sliced bread. It's lovely. Or just have it on its own like that. It's tasty, very flavorful. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.